Narrative study. Narrative analysis is a form of qualitative research in which the researcher focuses on a topic and analyzes the data collected from case studies, surveys, observations, or other similar methods. The researchers write their findings, then review and analyze them. To conduct narrative analysis, researchers must understand the background, setting, social and cultural context of the research subjects. This gives researchers a better idea of what their subjects mean in their narration. It's especially true in context-rich research, where there are many hidden layers of meaning that can only be uncovered by an in-depth understanding of the culture or environment. Before starting narrative research, researchers need to know as much about their research subjects as possible. They interview key informants and collect large amounts of text from them. They even use other sources, such as existing literature and personal recollections. From this large base of information, researchers choose a few instances they feel are good examples of what they want to talk about and then analyze them in depth. Narrative method provides a means to understand and analyze the stories. It begins with the experiences of the individuals they are expressed in lived or told stories. It is the process of gathering information for the specific purpose in research through storytelling method. It focuses on studying a single person and gathering data through collection of stories that are used to construct a narrative about the individual experiences. Example, narrative study into life of refugee woman and male. Once the narratives have been collected, researchers notice certain patterns and themes emerging as they read and analyze the text. They note these down, compare them with other research on the subject, figure out how it all fits together, and then find a theory that can explain these findings. Many social scientists have used narrative research as a valuable tool to analyze their concepts and theories. This is mainly because narrative analysis is a more thorough and multifaceted method. It helps researchers not only build a deeper understanding of their subject, but also helps them figure out why people act and react as they do. Storytelling is a central feature of narrative research. The narrative interview is an interactive conversation. This process can be very intimate and sometimes bring about powerful emotions from both parties. Therefore, this form of qualitative research isn't suitable for everyone. The interviewer needs to be a good listener and must understand the interview process. The interviewee also needs to be comfortable to be able to provide authentic narratives. Steps. Identify the phenomenon that addresses an educational problem. Purposefully select an individual to learn about phenomenon. Collect stories from the individuals that reflect personal experiences. Retell the individual story. Collaborate with participant storyteller in all phases of research. Write story about the participant's personal and social experience. Validate the accuracy of report.